We all rely on our mobile devices these days, so we want to make sure it is really easy for your clients, especially the next generation of clients, to manage their wealth from anywhere, anytime, right from their mobiles. We're thrilled to announce that we're rolling out a brand new wealth app that does just that. We've designed it to complement Client Portal, and in a way that is user-friendly and intuitive, so that your clients can view their portfolios and investment performance with ease. They'll also have access to the latest news and research automatically tailored to the investments in their portfolio. And in-app notifications are going to mean that they will never miss an opportunity. It's all part of our goal to help your clients feel great about the way that their money is being managed and help you deliver an advice experience that's truly engaging. We'll be launching our new wealth app in the second half of 2023, so stay tuned for more details.